So here we have the Mediterranean salad, which is basically, looks very similar to the small one, the small Mediterranean salad, but larger. This is the pulled chicken, £3.15, quite expensive. And it comes with like this salad sauce. I love the Naga sauce, so I've got some of that. Yeah, so this all came up to just over £12 with a drink, soft drink, a diet lemonade with lime cordial. Extra flavour, very nice. Some butternut squash. We've got some pumpkin seeds and stuff. It's healthy. So I've had the small version of this that's in the sides, and I think it's a lot cheaper. And I got it with chicken wings and a drink, and it was a lot less. It was a few pounds less. Naga chili sauce, and just so good. Honestly, I wish they sold this. It's so nice. I'm addicted to it. Like every time I come here, I have to get it. It just makes anything taste better. But it is spicy, so if you can't handle your chili, do not get it. And if you like chili, then you're going to enjoy yourself. I think next time, if I was going to get this salad just to have a meal with a drink, I'd probably just get it with the chicken breast and just add the Naga sauce, because the Naga sauce is just everything for me. And this shredded chicken, they put flavour on it, but I just covered it with Naga sauce anyway, so it was a bit pointless. I think it's the same chicken you get in the shawarma wrap for a Wetherspoons meal. Oh gosh, I mean, I'm like a Wetherspoons connoisseur at this point. Give it like a 7. Yeah, that's what 7 kept coming to mind. I'm going to give it a 7. I think that's pretty fair. Yeah, that's your Mediterranean salad. So, you know what it looks like, you're going to get it. Yep.